All right, so today it will be our first lesson here in Google Sheets. So you can get the Google Sheets by clicking Drive and Sheets right there. It's the green icon with the cross on it. Because this is going to be a spreadsheet, right? Spreadsheet, you use data, you're putting in numbers, you're putting in words, and you can organize them in a nice way. And the best thing about Sheets is that you can use it to create charts, right? Charts are going to be very important to take a set of data, any kind of data that you've collected, and provide an easy to read way of seeing the trend of that data. So here's a blank spreadsheet. Today we're going to do our classroom favorite subject. So you're going to have to, in a moment, go around, ask your classmates what is their favorite subject, and we're going to actually create this chart here. So on Google Sheets, you click on a cell. These are called cells. And you can type anything you want. It will fill it in. Once you hit enter, you have to edit it from up in this little portion. You can also, just like Google Docs, you can edit its, let's just right here, cell. You can edit its size by this drop arrow to 18. Well, you have to highlight it to 18 here. You can change it to bold and italics. You can change its font here to cover your new, however you want. Today, you can basically copy me. We're going to do classroom favorite subject in size 24. I have it in Arial. You can change it as long as it's easy to read. And you will go around and you're going to test people, what is their favorite subject? So you're going to need a little piece of paper. You're going to do tally marks. The subject choices are English, math, history, science, PE, art, band, technology, my class, or library if you have it. You don't need to choose all of these. You can choose maybe 5 of them. Go around, collect the student data, how many students for each one, plug it in here. You can do total, you don't have to. Then go ahead and do you have to have both of the headings. So subject on this side, number of students on this side. All right. So once you have all of this, let's go ahead. We're going to start a new sheet. So you can hit plus down here. But for my example, we're going to go ahead and do this. So it's blank. So you're going to type it in. So student, or so subject. Subject, number of students. And then for you, you can go ahead and type it in. So sheet 1 here, whichever ones you choose. And I've already collected my data here, so we're going to go ahead and I'm just going to copy mine here and post that in. So you'll create both of these. Click this, make it bold, change it maybe to 14 so it's a little bit bigger. And don't forget let's close that out. Don't forget your title, classroom favorite subject. Now, in order to create a chart, we're going to actually highlight both titles and all the data. You can click on Insert Chart, or you can click here on the chart little quick tab, and it will automatically make a pie chart, which is what we're making today. But that's because Google Sheets looks at our data and it's like, probably you want a pie chart. That's probably what we want. We'll keep that. But the only thing that you need to do before you're done is we need to change the title from number of students to classroom favorite subject. So beforehand, I'm going to copy classroom favorite subject. Click here, double click to get the chart details. Yours will be here on setup, pie chart. Let's keep it pie chart. Let's go ahead and let's click customize. Let's go down to chart and axis titles. That's this title here. And we're going to change number of students. And we're going to change that to classroom favorite subject. And what we can also do is you can make it a different size. You can bold it however you want. And then for legend, you can also do the same if you want to make them all a little bit easier to see and make them a little bit bigger. So once you've done that and you're done, you can go ahead and click Turn In. This will be our first lesson for Google Sheets.